So last year, I saved $15,000 with this Notion template, and this year I built this new one to help me save $46,000. Let me run you guys through my numbers and how I did this. We all know that a yearly financial reset and planning is essential to avoid overspending and to be more intentional about your savings and investments. First, I project my income for the year, which will hopefully add up to 94K by the end of this year, and these are my 3 sources of income. I then list out all the big ticket expenses that I think I'm going to be spending on this year, like insurance, taxes, an overseas wedding that I'm attending, Tomorrowland, as well as money for some ambiguous ones like trips and housing emergencies. Those ones are just estimates, but better to have it in there than not. I then work out my monthly budget for the year. My variable monthly budget has been 1.5K for about 5 years now. I'm keeping it the same this year even though my income is increasing a little bit because I do not want to get sucked into lifestyle creep. I also include my fixed monthly expenses like subscriptions, parents' money, mortgage, and once all that is done, my monthly and yearly savings are automatically tabulated. Ta-da! $46,000. I then decide how I want to split my savings, so investments, emergency fund, trading fund. I don't want any of the money I save to be wasted lying idly around, so I make sure to do this at the start of the year. I also have monthly and yearly summaries automatically generated, so it is easy for me to refer back throughout the year. And since this Notion template was highly requested in my previous video, I'm going to clean it up and make it a template. So if you'd like to use my template, you can click on the link in our bio. This will be the first ever digital product we're releasing on social media, so we will appreciate you if you do end up using this. Thanks friends, bye!